wheel build challenge.
So let's spin the wheel to find out what we're doing first. Yes, and we only have 10 minutes to build, and we only have a 5x5 grid. So this is gonna be challenging, but I'm ready. Y'all ready? Let's go. All right. We're okay. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. All right. This is mine right here.
Are you guys ready?
This is mine right here.
Okay, I'm trying to find flower things. I can't find it.
Let's start off with walls.
Let's start off with
Alright, yeah, this is starting off crazy.
Oh no, I'm not gonna have anything.
It's crazy that we only have a little amount of time to make this house.
So we're gonna keep these simple, but we're gonna make it look like very good. Floral pattern on the outside is gonna be ugly, but
We have to do it.
alright, let's see.
I don't know how to do this.
Yes, we have to touch your flowers. So I'm gonna make mine non-noticeable, but it's,
Okay, I think this is it. Oh,
okay, I can work with this. This looks like a lot of
this is so not cute. But it's okay. We're gonna work through this, you guys.
Alright, so I'm gonna start building mine upstairs because to me it seems
8 minutes.
8 minutes.
Oh my! I need to go quicker. Where's those large windows? Where's those large windows?
It got to be 5x5.
Okay, I did 5x5.
Because I see something going through. I don't know.
I think this is flower-like, so we should do this. This is ugly. Not that. What is this? This is like a flower pattern.
Yeah, this is so stressful.
Alright, let's go get a door. We need to move quicker because I'm not gonna have anything on the inside if I keep going at the rate that I am. 7 minutes and 23 seconds.
7 minutes.
Alright.
I haven't even got started on anything.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be lazy. The same texture from the outside will be on the inside. Well, actually, no, let's go with the flower patterns from the windows.
Guys, I'm trying to put like a lot of like flower things.
I don't even have any floor.
I have floor. These petal things.
Let's go in.
I haven't even
We're
built.
gonna use automatic placement because I don't have time. Okay, so let's hurry up and grab some floor.
Okay.
Okay.
I need to start.
We need a floor pattern for the floor as well.
Yeah, this house is not housing.
I'm sorry, you guys. Okay, this looks like carpet, so let's go with that in a. Should we go with the green, like the color of the door? Let's go for these.
Okay, we got the floor. I need some chairs.
Okay. Let's make this like some kind of living room space. So let's grab this a carpet. So let's grab this little carpet here.
I'm trying to decorate it. Color.
Here. How much time do we have left? Mary, how much time? How much time?
5 minutes and 37 seconds.
5 minutes.
I don't really have anything. I don't know what floor it is. Oh my, I
Let's
don't
just
know.
grab
I'll just do this.
some kind of chair that feels like floral. Okay, we're gonna go with these. These are for inside though. Let's go for like this.
Oh, I got a bill.
Let's go to garden right there. Don't come at me for this, but we're putting bushes inside the house. We're putting bushes inside the house, you guys. We're putting them, I'm sorry. I know bushes don't belong in the house, but it has to go.
Why I keep putting it out, you know?
Oh my, this is hard. Mind you guys, we haven't been on Bloxburg in a minute, so doing this is like two minutes and 39 seconds. Oh my, you guys. I need some kind of table. Let's go for this. Okay, let's do some like plants for the table. This is cute, so let's pop one of these on the table and grab some simple plants. So I should have got these. This is cute. Let's like do like that. Now that's cute. And I don't have any type of roof or anything. We need some lights in here.
How much minutes left?
1 minute and 1 second.
This is too much time.
This roof on the inside is not going to do it, so we're going to have to fix this. Okay, because the black inside is not doing it. And it needs to be
How do I
floor, so
delete
I'm
things?
going to get the floor pattern
How do I
framed.
delete stuff?
So I see that some of this stuff does not have floor pattern, so let's get floor. Okay. It doesn't even matter. This one don't have it, so it's fine for that. Okay, this chandelier is not in there. 13 seconds! 13 seconds!
Guys, I don't know what to do. Like, I've been holding back my tears.
Oh my gosh.
I'm kind of...
Oh my. Yay! No, but you still trying to do two stories. Who want to go first? Alright, we're going in Learsville first, and this is Learsville here. Let's go in. She got flowers and stuff here. I see grass bed.
I don't know how to build.
This was a hard challenge with only 10 minutes, so I think you did good. Alright, who's next? I go next. This is my video, you guys. This is all I had time to do.
I like it.
Everything happened. Alright, who's going next? No, this video is next. Guys, she did two stories when we told her it wasn't going to be enough time. She have a bed here with the flower pattern. A rug. It's dark in here. Let's see what we have. Oh, that's we have a malfunction on the fan. Alright, next. Oh, this is nice from the exterior. Oh, we have a kitchen in here. We have a sofa. We have a bedroom. We have a bedroom here, and we have a bathroom. So we literally have nothing. I only have a sofa in mine, so I guess we a star. Well, I guess we'll eat the flowers on the bush. Okay, but this house, I think Mama went this around because her house is actually functional.
Yes.
Okay, so let's get started. This round we have no advanced placement, so we have to set the grid to B. Set your grid to B.
Hey,
What does that mean? I hate using this. That's too fancy. We don't have to use this either. That means that you can't put stuff very close to each other. Alright, so I'm gonna come up with something that don't have to be close to.
yeah, we're gonna build this everybody. So what's the rule?
I think that, the rules is on that thing. I think it said we can't resize nothing, and we can't use the other grid, so we can't use the grid. They didn't have a time on it. What time should we do? 15 minutes? 15 minutes. Right. Alright, 15 minutes. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1, start. You wanna start off?
this girl is literally still building while we didn't already stop the timer. She just stayed going away and we didn't even notice. So she just sitting up there cheating and we letting her because we didn't even know.
I don't have no lights. I don't have no lights, yeah.
I have a bathroom upstairs, but did not go upstairs, so you cannot go upstairs. But I did have a bathroom.
All right, who going first?
Oh, okay.
All right. You did mine. How you found this? This is the door I was looking for. This look good. You have a kitchen, a bedroom, a bathroom, and a living room. I don't even have that.
That's because I don't be coming and I don't be too busy trying to come in our house.
Yes. This is nice. 15-minute bill and everything is in it.
I cannot go upstairs, but I did have a bathroom.
And we have a garage.
A garage is crazy. A garage is crazy.
All right. Let's just go down the line. Next we have no pizza bill. This looks like a castle. Oh, this looks nice. Well, we got a bed in the living room.
Okay. That's nice.
It is. Everything is here. The kitchen is nice. I love this.
Okay.
Look, the spice rack. You got had time to play all of that. Say don't go upstairs. Yeah, because no stairs. Let's see. All I see, the bathroom is over here, you guys. We can't get up there, but it's up there. All right. Next we have Lyric's bill.
Here you go.
She closed this up. Okay. So we have a living room. We have a fireplace in this one.
My kitchen, microwave, all right.
Lyric. A bathroom here.
Bathroom. Oh wow, that's a lot. You did. Yes. You did good, okay.
Thank you.
Because say you don't know how to build and you're not a good builder, you doing good now.
Yes.
I gotta keep on building.
Okay, y'all. Love the exterior because that's all. It's so dark in here, yeah.
Mine was dark too.
I got the bed here because I didn't have enough space to include no doors and stuff. So I had to use this.
Nice though, I love the color.
Thank you.
All right, y'all did good.
In the living room, but it got a bed and kitchen this time. And a dining room.
I like it.
Thank you. That's all I have, yeah.
So let's see who won this round.
All right, we'll be back.